Welcome to the Advantage Insulating Concrete Forming System. The Advantage ICF system is a patented insulating concrete forming system that results in a monolithic flat insulating concrete wall. One block is comprised of two corresponding panels made from expanded polystyrene EPS insulation. The EPS panels function as the form and are held together with high-density plastic webs or ties, spaced 8 inches on center for the 6-inch concrete wall form, or 6 inches on center for the 8-inch concrete wall form. The top and bottom edges of Advantage ICF system blocks have pre-formed interlocking mechanisms, which ensure web connectors align vertically for attachment of surface finishing materials. Once a series of blocks have been assembled to form a wall with the appropriate steel reinforcement, concrete is poured inside the blocks to create a uniform structural wall system. The resulting structural concrete wall has exceptional insulating, fire, and sound characteristics. Advantage ICF system components include 2 panels of expanded polystyrene EPS, 2 5/8 inches, create a form for the concrete that stays in place after to become the wall insulation. The forms are held in place by a rigid plastic web that has 3 key functions. To hold and space the EPS panels is the saddle for the steel reinforcement, rebar, are used for the attachment of interior and exterior finishes, functioning like a wood or metal stud. How is the Advantage ICF system different from other ICFs? Most ICFs are fundamentally similar. The differences are block dimensions, interlock, web design. Advantage standard blocks are 48 inches long by 16.5 inches high. The 16.5 inches in height is unique to the Advantage ICF system. When 6 blocks are used, their height results in 99 inches from top of footing to top of wall. With a 3 to 4 inch basement slab and top and bottom framing plates, it is perfect for a standard 8-foot foundation wall. With more homes going to higher foundation walls of 9 feet, the Advantage height adjustment block can be utilized, which adds 7.5 inches to the foundation wall height. As more codes are specifying under-slab insulation, especially when radiant in-slab heat is used, then another row of full-height Advantage ICF blocks will total 115.5 inches in height. The 3 to 4 inch concrete slab with 2 to 4 inches of Plasti-Fab radiant floor insulation, Plasti-Fab radon guard, or Plasti-Fab rigid will provide a superior comfortable basement with a clear interior height of 9 feet from top of slab to basement ceiling. The Advantage ICF blocks are 11 1/4 inches from outside to outside for the 6-inch core, which is the perfect width when a PTW window buck built from 2x12s is required. The 8-inch core product is 13 1/4 inches outside to outside, so a 1-inch piece of plywood cut to that width is typically used. Interlock. The Advantage ICF system's patented tongue and groove interlock design allows tight nesting of the blocks. Reversible and other ICF blocks that have alternating projections and recesses sometimes do not nest properly due to numerous friction points. Therefore, they do not nest tightly, and this can result in significant settling depending on how many rows of blocks are being placed. These ICF designs require internal hooks, both horizontally and vertically. The hooks create a situation where the concrete placement, and more importantly, the internal mechanical vibration can occur, which is essential for proper concrete consolidation, as required by building code. Another issue with these interlock styles is keeping the recesses free of debris, as they can fill with mud and sometimes ice that need to be cleaned out of the interlock to work. The groove or bottom interlock makes it easy to apply a consistent, even bead of foam adhesive in critical areas, locking the blocks tight. The adhesive comes in multiple brands with a wide range of curing temperatures. The tongue or top of the interlock nested into the grooves provides an additional barrier for moisture migration through the horizontal seams. The Advantage ICF system is the only ICF product that features tabs at the top of the interlock that slip into the bottom of the subsequent row, keeping the webs aligned. There are some areas where the tabs may have to be removed for the project. This is done with little effort, and the interlock is still consistent horizontally. This interlock feature results in less waste. An embossed EPS line marks the middle of the 1.5-inch wide furring strips vertically, making it an easy-to-find target for fastening. The Advantage ICF system also marks all blocks with a vertical recessed cut line every inch to facilitate cutting the blocks when required. The Advantage ICF system ledge block features a continuous, uninterrupted concrete ledge. When ledge blocks are included in any ICF system, horizontal steel reinforcement in the ledge portion is required. The Advantage ICF ledge block features a specially designed web unique to the ICF industry that is molded into the ICF panels. This forms a concrete ledge that is uninterrupted, allowing required building membranes and materials to be fastened all the way to the top of the ledge. Only the Advantage ICF system has this benefit. This superior design provides a uniform support for brick, stone, and slab and floor support. The steel reinforcement is totally encapsulated in the concrete, so it is not exposed to moisture-causing corrosion deterioration. This is a significant improvement over ICF designs that use EPS haunches molded into the one face of the EPS panel. These haunches are considered structural voids and do not allow the steel reinforcement to be protected from moisture. If you have any questions about the Advantage ICF system, please contact us.